Okay, Susan, this is how you load the cloud brushes, and this should work for you. In Photoshop, you're going to go to the toolbar, and you're going to choose the brush tool. And then up here on the top bar, the option bar, you're going to choose this little drop down that shows the picture of the brushes where you see all the brushes loaded and your controls. And you're going to click the gear icon. Then you're going to go down about 2/3 of the way where it says import brushes. When you click there, you're going to navigate, you're going to go to your desktop or wherever you saved it. I put all my tools in a folder called Tools Vault. So I put that folder that downloaded whenever I signed up for my own product and I downloaded it. It comes in a zip folder called Cloud Brush, and inside there is the ABR, which is the brush icon. So you click on that, and then you just hit open, or you can just double click on it and it'll open. So then if you want to make sure it's there, go to your brush tool, go back to that menu, scroll down to the bottom, and there it is, Cloud Brushes by Suzette, and there they are. So hopefully that works. I am in the latest version, not the latest, but almost latest version of Photoshop. I'm at 22.5.7. My computer's not new enough to do the 23.0 version. So anyway, I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.